Today I am going to talk about pelvic vein congestion syndrome. Now I am sure all of you are aware about varicose veins in the legs. Similar to that, we have varicose veins in our pelvis, that is in our tummy, especially around our uterus or ovaries. Now, the patient who is suffering from pelvic vein congestion syndrome unfortunately is not aware what is happening. So, most of the common complaints which I get from my female patients is there is lot of heaviness or dragging pain in the lower abdomen, which is more during the periods or when the periods are about to come. Associated with that, they can also be suffering from piles or hemorrhoids, can be having prominent veins and swelling in the legs. Sometimes some of my patients also say that not only their legs has varicose veins, but from the place where we pass urine, that also has lot of dilated veins. There is discomfort while passing urine. Now, the reason why it happens in some of the females is when we are pregnant, the uterus and the baby, that weight and the size causes pressure on the veins in our abdomen. And if there are increased number of deliveries at less time interval, we give very less time for the body to heal. So because of that constant pressure, there becomes big dilated veins around our uterus and ovaries, and that causes congestion in our pelvis. So what is important is that do not neglect or do not feel that, oh, all of this pain and suffering which I am going through is something which I am destined to do it, have it because I am a female. No, the way to manage it is to speak what problem you have, to consult the right specialty, and there are definitive ways in which I can help you in treatment. Some medicines are there which will help the congestion of the veins. Some stockings can help with the congestion in your legs. Also, if required, there are procedures which we do it in our cath labs. It is an endovascular procedure wherein in these bigger veins we introduce some coils or some material so that the veins will shrink in size and that congestion is relieved. So my request to all my female patients is speak out that you have this problem, consult a gynecologist or consult a vascular surgeon to reach the right diagnosis, and I am sure we will be able to help you.